Happy Thanksgiving Day, people. Marcus going to see. Hey, today we just got back from the Miami area yesterday. We went down Homestead. Monday, spent the night. We didn't get there till night. And then we went down to Key West, checked it out for the day, came back to Homestead, spent the night, and then we just got back last night. And believe me, I thought it was going to be a lot of fun going down there, but now I know I ain't going to do that again. That was not too much fun. It wasn't what I thought it was going to be. So today, we're going to stay around the farm and enjoy Thanksgiving. Okay? See what all we do today. Alright, got 2 grills going today. Check it out. Grill number 1, sweet potatoes, Cornish game hen, and 2 duck necks for Winnie. Grill number 2, more Cornish game hens. Alright, woohoo! We are starting to get ready for the Thanksgiving. And in a little while, we're going to be doing more duck hay style. It is a beautiful day. The hay style, by the way, is it's a Thai way of cooking ducks. Beautiful day today. About 72. Gotta love it. Alright. Gonna make the hay duck again. They think they know what they're doing. Okay, so the can was from some bamboo they got at the restaurant. Put a little dirt around the side to seal it. And a little on top to keep it from getting too hot. Let the fun begin. Thai hay duck. Good way to call it. I watched Mark Weens go to a place that did this. They did chicken and they used the rice hay. You know what I mean? The rice shoot. Last time it took about 45 minutes.
You already saw it cook. I know now. One bale.
1 bale. Now you know. Oh, with that can, it only takes 1 bale. That big aluminum pan, though, it took more. It was harder to heat it up. Yeah, the pyromaniacs are in action. It took about 45 minutes last time to do this with the duck. Basically, they'll just keep feeding it hay till they think it's done. Okay. Well, you got to put it all around it.
มันบอกว่ามันถอดป้ายนะเอาแล้ว
จ๊ก็ต้องว่าแล้วเก็บวิดีโอ
เอาไปใส่ด้านนู้นด้วยดิมันจะสุกแค่ด้านเดียวนะเนี่ยกินซีฟู้ดอย่างเดียวเลย
Regular old hay.
อีกละเกินไปนะHow about your chicken?
Wow, you feel the heat from here.
Almost done.
Hanoi.
ขวดยักษ์ปล่อยทำที่เลยกิงพาวเวอร์แล้วมีขาดตัว
Almost done.
You say so.
I hope so. Cheers.
Yeah, because you almost out of hay. Hanoi, put the fire out. Oh, never mind. I don't know if you want to call it hay or straw, but it's hay.
ซอยป้านี่มึงยังขับชน3 ล้อเลยขับในซอยป้านี่มึงยังขับชนเนาะ
Well, we're about done. As in, we're out of hay. Here we go. Uncovering the duck.
I don't know.
Notice the bottom of the can is not burnt. It's protected. Katie,
I think the top is gonna be burned.
because you put more hay on it this time, not enough dirt.
Mr. Boom, he put the duck in the bottle, not like,
Not as far.
yeah, not far.
We will see.
You can feel it.
Did the duck stay?
See?
Ooh.
Too much.
I think the duck is done. Ooh, crispy duck.
Okay.
Not enough water.
Too much hair.
It's okay.
Too much hay.
Crispy.
It's better crispy.
Oh yeah.
There you go. Oh, good looking duck. Yeah. Sticky rice, salad, Cornish game hens, papaya salad, duck, dipping sauce, ooh, and duck salad. Ooh, we eat. Chocolate duck. Thai sauce.
เดี๋ยวมาใส่นะดิดินะลูกนะ
Dad, I want to behind you.
Ah,
Diane, be patient.
need to sharpen the knife.
The pink.
A little messy.
Where's my chips?
Don't need it.